Now move to the second set of problem. For this, here we take the first one, cos alpha plus cos of 120 degree plus alpha plus cos of 120 degree minus alpha. Consider this problem at first. So cos of alpha, cos of a plus b means cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, again cos of a minus b, and the formula is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos 120 cos alpha plus sin 120 sin alpha. This term and this term get cancelled, so you get cos alpha plus 2 into cos 120 cos alpha. Now cos alpha plus 2 into cos of 180 minus 60 degree, cos 120 can be written as 180 minus 60, and the remaining part, that is cos alpha, remains same. Now cos 180 minus theta, you know that is cos theta. Now cos theta or minus cos theta, look at the quadrant. 180, 2 into 90, 180 minus 60, that means here somewhere here it lies in the second quadrant, so the answer will be negative. So instead of writing this, I can write cos alpha minus 2 cos 60 cos alpha. So cos alpha, 2 into cos 60, what is the value of cos 60? Half into cos alpha. Now 2 get cancelled, cos alpha minus cos alpha equals to 0, and this is your right hand side. Move to the second problem. You have to prove tan 43 degree equals to cos 2 minus sin 2 degree by cos 2 degree plus sin 2 degree. Now consider the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Tan 43 degree. Now tan 43 can be written as tan 45 minus 2 degree. Now we can use tan of a minus b formula. What is the formula of tan of a minus b? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. You can put the value of tan 45 now. What is the value of tan 45? Value of tan 45 is 1. So you can write 1 minus tan 2 degree by 1 plus tan 2 degree. Now tan 2 degree, sin theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. So tan 2 can be written as sin 2 degree by cos 2 degree. In the denominator we use the same trick. Tan 2 can be written as sin 2 degree by cos 2 degree. Now simplify. Cos 2 will be the denominator, so write cos 2 degree. Here you get cos 2 degree minus sine 2 degree. Here you get cos 2 degree plus sine 2 degree by cos 2 degree. Now cos 2 get cancelled. Finally you get cos 2 degree minus sine 2 degree by cos 2 degree plus sine 2 degree, and this is your right hand side.